Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iPad 9 generation and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't download anything from your app store because you can find it in your iPad system. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu, open your settings application, in it choose general. Not general, we choose our screen time, where we have our connect and privacy registration. We tap on it, and there first where we have our installing app don't allow, we must change it from don't allow to allow, and that's all. We can go back and try search app store again, which is visible right now. Thanks for watching, bye.